How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a Chevy or GMC with the Intellilink entertainment system? And today is Sunday, March 10th. It's time to set our clocks forward 1 hour. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your clock forward or back, or set any kind of time on this. It's actually quite easy. From your home screen, just press home. Go to your icons, and you want configuration. Press that. Here's all your options. You want time and date. Press that. And here's your other options. You want to just set time. Our date is already correct. And simply go up 1 hour and press home. And there you go. Our clock is now changed 1 hour ahead. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.